Chiliz value equivalent to 2.2050 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1743 2.2158. The earlier day close, 2.2088. The change was 0.0038, 0.17%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.95 rands, high 2.09, low 1.81. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. In multi-week Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.02 rands, high 2.16, low 1.88. Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 5, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. In about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. In 3 weeks Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.26 rands, high 2.42, low 2.10. Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 2.22 rands, high 2.38, low 2.06. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 2.14 rands, exorbitant cost 2.65, while low cost 1.81. They found the middle value of cost 2.15. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.01, change for April 6.1%. Chiliz conjecture for May 2023. Initially cost at 2.01 rands, excessive cost 2.44, while low cost 1.69. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.99. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.82, change for May 9.5%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.82 rands, excessive cost 1.82, while low cost 1.51. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.69. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.62, change for June 11.0%. Chiliz figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 1.62 rands, excessive cost 1.80, while low cost 1.56. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.67. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.68, change for July 3.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.68 rands, excessive cost 2.09, while low cost 1.68. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.85. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.95, change for August 16.1%. Chiliz figure for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.95 rands, exorbitant cost 1.95, while low cost 1.53. They found the middle value of cost 1.77. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.64. Change for September 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.64, while low cost 1.28. They found the middle value of cost 1.49. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.38. Change for October 15.9%. Chiliz gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.38 rands. Excessive cost 1.40, while low cost 1.22. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.33. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.31. Change for November 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at 1.31 rands. Excessive cost 1.61, while low cost 1.31. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.50. Change for December 14.5%. Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. At the outset, cost at 1.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.86, while low cost 1.50. They found the middle value of cost 1.65. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.74. Change for January 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.16, while low cost 1.74. They found the middle value of cost 1.92. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.02. Change for February 16.1%. Chiliz estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at 2.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.02, while low cost 1.58. They found the middle value of cost 1.83. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.70. Change for spring 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.70 rands. Excessive cost 1.70, while low cost 1.33. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.54. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.43. Change for April 15.9%. ZAR to CHC conversion standard equivalent to 0.4535 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4513 minus 0.4599. The earlier days nearby 0.4527. Change for now plus 0.0008 plus 0.18%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 0.439 coins, high 0.472, low 0.410. ZAR to CHC expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.474 coins, high 0.510, low 0.442. Rand to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.483 coins, high 0.518, low 0.452. ZAR to CHC